Let us discuss the structure of stamen, microsporangium and pollen grain. The structure of stamen. So this is a airless or flower, means longitudinal section of a flower. So longitudinal section means taking section in this direction. So this is flower, but we cut that flower in this direction. ಉದ್ದ ಸೀಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು longitudinal section ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. So these are stamens here, all these are stamens. So let us study the structure of individual stamen in detail. So this is the stigma and style, and here there is ovary. So this is the stamen. Let us study the structure of this individual stamen. The number of stamen, the size of the stamen, these are short, these are long stamens, these are longer ones. Now number and size of the stamen varies in the flowers of different species. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಭೇದದ ಗಿಡಗಳ ಹೂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಮೆನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವುಗಳ ಸೈಜ್ ಅವು ಬದಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So this is a typical stamen. So this typical stamen has a long, slender means thin filament. So at its terminal position, or anther is located terminally. Terminally means at the end of this filament there is anther. Now in this anther there are two lobes. This is one lobe, this is one lobe. So it is called bilobed. There are two anther lobes. This is proximal end. This proximal end is attached. This proximal end of the stamen is attached either to the thalamus. This is thalamus. To this thalamus, this proximal end of this filament is attached, or it is attached to the petal. A typical anther of angiosperm or an angiosperm, typical angiosperm anther. Angiosperm ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೂ ಬಿಡುವ ಗಿಡಗಳ anther. A typical angiosperm anther shows that it is made up of two lobes. This is one lobe, this is one lobe, this is one lobe. So one lobe, and this is the second lobe. First lobe, second lobe. So there are two lobes. So it is bilobed. There are two theca. This is one theca, this is one theca. So in each lobe there are two thecas. So it is dithecous. So this is a longitudinal groove that runs lengthwise and separates two theca. ಎರಡು ಥೀಕವನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಲಾಂಜಿಟ್ಯೂಡಿನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂವ್, ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಕಣಿವೆ ರೀತಿಯ ರಚನೆ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಥೀಕವನ್ನು ಅದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥೀಕಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥೀಕಾ, this is the longitudinal groove. So we can see here longitudinal groove ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. So this longitudinal groove separates these two theca. So it is these two are theca, and this is the longitudinal groove.